Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
Guys, let's just unpack again Kusenzo Meyiwa. You remember when Vincent Lishaban, General, was now contradicting himself? Actually, the way Mozi lied and all these guys, in fact, they lying, the five accused. I even believe that they did unalive sense. What's now? Someone was just saying on the comments that Lo Uni page like basically, or is just one chapter where he's cooking with Gininda in the cookbook. Gininda. I was just like, guys, oh my gosh. Niyangihlekisa like you've never seen. Thank you so much, guys, for always watching my channel. Ningisize. With this channel, I'm just like on the floor. I'm like, what's in the name?
Thank you so much for joining us. Sigu, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. If you're new here, welcome. Ziyakala. In the Senzo Meyiwa case, things are just taking another direction. We are here to witness this. I see we're not going anywhere. I just wanted to explain, Noguti, most people, they're not really Zulu in this case. So I normally sometimes will speak Zulu here and there, so that, because Senzo Meyiwa was Zulu and Umkhaya Wamasemlazi, we grew up in the same location, obviously in different times, because Senzo Meyiwa is much younger than me. But I'm just like, we're here for the Meyiwas, Tina, any day, all day, every day. We're not even trying to back down. We're here for the Meyiwas. Yeah, so thank you so much for Rukus Jonah. So I just wanted to explain something. What's the Siyahlaziya means we are reviewing in English. It's a Zulu name, Siyahlaziya le ndaba, we're dissecting it, le nto kaSenzo Meyiwa, until he gets justice. That's where we are. We are not even trying to sugarcoat it. It's, oh my gosh, Urats. Yay, bamdonsile Urats, guys. Manje, even my own beautiful subbies, bayamudruveka to feel they like, yay, oversekele lo khehla thina, please. Emsebenzini, it's not about age. Hambe uhlala old age home, then. Futhi ngempela kodwa guys, Urats should be doing gardening at home. 8 years. Some days 78, some days 79. 2 weeks ago it was 78. I'm just like, Kanjal, let's do. You said 79. And then I've been saying in December, actually, I started saying, oh, Rasa is turning 80 next year, guys, he can't come back. And Siso Meyiwa said the same thing. What Deli Kesha must actually stay at home. Then they started dragging him. I was just like, oh my gosh, Uzi Galele. He called it from the bushes. So, Ndant, busy now, go busy. Ebedi is saying, Estreli Latina, people are going to start singing like canaries, the ones that were in the house. The baby says, Indabisi say IP'd. Yeah, Indabisi say IP'd now. People are going to be arrested. Or Patricia Mashala, they've written emails last week, and the IP'd actually answered her. It was just like, yes, girl. Yes, girl. Ad hoc, when she went there, she's telling the truth. She was telling the truth there. No Shedrack Sibiya wayebukisa ngami njalo ngibize eBloemfontein and he wouldn't come to court. Defamation it was thrown out of court, struck off the roll. Ngoba ngicabanga ukuthi uhlakaniphile uShedrack Sibiya uJoseph. They're coming for him. Loyo. He lied, you remember, and said kaSenzo Meyiwa wafika esibhedlela ngo-11 ubusuku. He started at the house at the Khumalo's Luamuntu, urogue, usewadlula. Like ubone when you just corrupt and you are just emgulukudu, you don't know yourself, unjalo-ke. Ubutilo, abathi uSibiya, ubonile basambeke on the side. Yeah, no, they're coming back for him. They are still investigating some more. Let me tell you, mark my words. Mkhwanazi will never repeat the same thing. I will never sit with that criminal around the same table. You can't make up stories like that, guys. Please, you know exactly what you're talking about. Let alone the suspended baba 11 rogue police officers about 11. So Gininda, who is he? He's an ant. He's nothing, Loy. Also, is the world coming to an end? It is going to come to an end for him. Usazobona kahle IPD zomlungisa. Patricia Mashala ubhalile bathi lalela uNtanzi. Yaqala lelana lase nganongoma into enga exist. Ushilo umshololo. Urasamhlangela wathi hey wena angijwayeli ngilingana nano babakho. I'm just like, get up. And Defense has been so cool with this guy, and they've been very respectful. You so uzehlise kanjani. When you are come ukugibelana ne-defense, and then on our watch, it's not gonna happen. So, Patricia Mashalege, they are actually helping Undanzi. And they're helping basically this whole case. We're just making noise. We're gonna keep on making noise until the mayors get justice. All of those people, no baloyi. And the baby. Like I said on the video before this one, no mntana khona phakathi inside the prison. Abaye ebhongweni actually. Bazoba right. Bayodlala no Khet Matlala kancane. No, Khet Matlala is actually back. Bazodlala no Thabo Best. Khet Matlala is back at Cimex because the cala lakhe liyangena every time. I mean, you can't be fetching him from Kokstad. I mean, that's like how many hours? 6-7 hours. You can't be fetching him from there. So, si busy. Nabanye. Ngeke sizidlale abantu, guys. In our country, into nje yethi police. That's rogue now. Sabopha yonke into. Abona uShadrack Sibiye wafika kakhumalo wathini? Wathi cima nhlina letsholo maphiri, and then it comes in lies so many times that adok bambuzile. They asked him, I know I came at 11 o'clock at the hospital. No, you didn't. You are the one what this crime scene actually is mine. I'm controlling. Sizobona who controls the world. Got him. Me for the past 3 years. In 2024, how many times did I repeat it? 2 weeks ago, I repeated it again. Please go watch that video where I said, igazi lomuntu liyakhuluma. I said it so many times. Ngathi lalela umuntu ngazadlale now, whether they're in the grave or bakuphi, even in 30 years. Bangaphendula abantu bathi lalela wangibulalela ini ngangikwenzeni. Mdinwa nje nayo lento ukuthi okay basenze uPopeye baba they playing us, then playing the Mayors, and then disrespect Mayors foot on top of that, not on our watch. Guys, people are gonna be arrested. Did you see that police officer was also arrested, a woman one for that matter, who took a bribe at 2,000. Abantu bebekile. Who even does that?